This is Claude. He is an equipment maintenance mechanic. Claude and his colleagues repair and troubleshoot different types of machines and leave logs about it. Lots of logs. And this is Jessica. She is an operations director. She needs maintenance data. She can leverage it to optimize expenses and plan equipment downtime. Sadly, the logs documented by Claude aren't very useful. They're created in natural languages, like plain English. It will take days for Jessica to analyze these logs, not to mention all the errors she could make. But Symboticware is here to help. Squares is a new application that uses natural language processing to convert maintenance logs into data. So what looked unusable becomes insightful. Squares visualizes the data, so you know exactly which components fail and at which cost, which machines are expensive to maintain, and how your fleet is performing overall. Squares is based on an industry-leading artificial intelligence engine. It delivers value right away, is hardware-free, and relieves the operations team from routine tasks. For Jessica, Squares enables predictive maintenance. It saves costs, improves safety, and reduces environmental impact. Squares is applicable across sectors, from mining to logistics, from manufacturing to transportation. Get Squares. Try it now.